welcome to the channel Alex Skill. Today, we will explore 10 giant wood sawing machines, the most powerful and impressive machines you have ever seen. This will be an exciting journey, where we admire the cutting-edge technology that helps process the largest logs in the world. Let's get started. If you find this video interesting, please click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos. Now, prepare for a surprising and inspiring experience. First, let's come to the WoodMeiser Lt70, one of the leading wood sawing machines. With its powerful motor and advanced technology, it is capable of cutting extremely large logs with absolute precision. Let's admire the WoodMeiser Lt70, a wood sawing machine with incredible power. When looking at this scene, you can hear the engine roaring like a beast ready to rush into battle. Sharp saw blades, controlled by advanced technology, glide through large logs with absolute precision, each slice as smooth as a knife cutting through butter. You can feel the power of the machine through every movement, its durability and strength when handling giant logs. This is truly an amazing visual experience, as we witness a top-notch machine in action. Unbelievably, the WoodMeiser Lt70 is not just a wood sawing machine, but a technological masterpiece, offering excellent performance and high reliability. Are you moved when you witness the power and perfection in every slice of this machine? Next, we will explore the Norwood Lumber Pro HD36. Designed to handle large and heavy logs, this machine has a sturdy iron frame and powerful motor, allowing it to easily cut logs up to 3 meters long. The Norwood Lumber Pro HD36 is one of the most incredible lumbering machines you will ever see. Imagine you are standing in the middle of a dense forest, surrounded by tall old trees, and in front of you is a working HD36. The engine sounded resounding, the sharp saw blade gliding through each thick grain of wood. You can feel its power through every movement, as each slice of wood is made quickly and accurately. Unbelievably, the Norwood HD36 is not just a machine, but a trusted companion for the toughest jobs. With a sturdy iron frame and powerful motor, it delivers excellent working performance, helping you get the job done quickly and efficiently. Feel the strength and durability of this machine, as it tackles huge logs without flinching. Incredible! Now we will come to Timber King 2000, one of the giant wood sawing machines with the ability to cut long and thick wood. The machine is equipped with an automatic control system, making wood cutting easier than ever. Can you feel the power of the Timber King 2000? When you stand in front of this machine, you are immediately impressed by its enormous size and durability. With an automatic control system, Timber King 2000 is not only powerful but also extremely intelligent, helping to optimize the wood sawing process. The engine sounds resounding, the sharp saw blade cuts through long and thick logs with absolute precision. Imagine you are standing in a large lumberyard, surrounded by giant logs, and in front of you is the Timber King 2000 machine in action. Every time the saw blade moves, you can feel the power and efficiency of this machine. Unbelievably, the Timber King 2000 is not just a wood sawing machine, but a symbol of technology and strength. Let yourself be blown away by the cutting perfection of this machine, as it processes huge logs with ease and speed. The Peterson portable sawmills are designed to move easily and cut wood on the spot. With the ability to cut wood accurately and quickly, it is ideal for outdoor projects. The Peterson portable sawmills are a great wood sawing machine, providing versatility and efficiency for any outdoor project. Imagine you are in the middle of a wild forest, surrounded by tall old trees, and in front of you is a working Peterson machine. The engine sounded resounding, the sharp saw blade gliding through each thick grain of wood. You can feel its power through every movement, as each slice of wood is made quickly and accurately. Unbelievably, the Peterson portable sawmills are more than just a machine, they're a trusted companion for the toughest jobs. With easy portability, this machine can go anywhere you need, providing excellent working efficiency. Feel the power and versatility of this machine, as it handles huge logs without hesitation. Incredible! The WoodMeiser WM1000 is one of the most massive wood sawing machines, capable of cutting the largest logs in the world. With advanced technology and powerful motor, it ensures fast and precise wood cutting. WoodMeiser WM1000 is truly a giant wood sawing machine. When you stand in front of this machine, you will immediately be impressed by its size and power. The engine sounds resounding, the sharp saw blade cuts through large logs with absolute precision. You can feel the power of the machine through every movement, its durability and strength when handling giant logs.
This is truly an amazing visual experience, as we witness a top-notch machine in action.
Unbelievably, the WoodMeiser WM1000 is not just a wood chipper, but a technological masterpiece, delivering outstanding performance and incredible precision. You can feel the power and perfection in every slice, a perfect combination of technology and power.